No factory? No problem. Here's me with a 20 by 30 one-car garage. It's only one door. And I can make over 5,000 oil udders a month if I had to make that many. Let me show you what that looks like. So here's a time lapse. I have a tractor. That's a Uline order. I bring it into my shop. Obviously, got to rip everything out. Pre-cut some plastic to make sure it's the boxes don't leave a mark. Stack the boxes that I'm going to be using to ship them out. These are mag holders that I put magnets in, and then I have to glue them down. So I actually use the steel tray to hold them and then also confirm the quality. Fold the boxes out on my table. If you notice, I actually don't have to leave my same spot. So what I do is I actually have a string to pull the boxes toward me, and then there's all the posts to create the units. So it's keep it simple. Keep it absolutely simple, and there's an entire factory you can make out of your living room, your bedroom, a full shipping station, and just go drop them off at UPS. It's that simple. So pretty cool, right? Anyway, I thought you guys might find that pretty interesting. So don't put this stuff on a pedestal. It's one little piece at a time, one bite-sized chunk at a time, and you'll get there, and I look forward to helping you.